Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In the Format Editor dialog box, you can click the Font tab to view the available choices that you can make to change the display of text in the selected report object or objects. Clicking the Font drop-down will display a listing of all of the available fonts on your machine. You can select the desired font face to use for the selected object by choosing it from the list. The Style drop-down allows you to apply a selected font style from the drop-down of choices available. Typical choices include bold, regular, italic, and others. However, note that the choices available in this drop-down depend directly upon which font has been selected in the Font drop-down. Some fonts simply have more style options than others do. You can use the Size drop-down to select a font size, measured in points, that you want to use for the values displayed in the selected report object. You can also simply type a desired font value directly into the associated text box to specify a font size that is not displayed in the drop-down menu. This field will also accept fractional font sizes, such as 10.5 if desired. You can use the Color drop-down to select the color to use for the text displayed in the selected report object. If the color you want to use is not shown in the small palette of colors displayed in the drop-down, then you can click the More command in the drop-down menu to invoke the Color dialog box. In the Color dialog box, you can select from the expanded palette of preset colors available in the Basic Colors section at the left side of the dialog box. You can also create your own custom colors if desired. To do this, click one of the white color cubes under the Custom Colors section. Next, click and drag the small black left-pointing arrowhead in the color strip shown at the right side of the dialog box up or down to decrease or increase the darkness of the color displayed within the color/solid box. Next, click and drag the mouse pointer around in the rainbow gradient to change the color displayed within the box. You can also change the color by typing the desired numbers for the hue, saturation, and luminosity into the text boxes provided, or by typing the desired values into the red, green, and blue text boxes provided. Once you have the desired font color displayed in the color/solid box, click the Add to Custom Colors button in the lower right corner of this dialog box to set the selected color as the color displayed within the selected cube in the Custom Colors section of the dialog box. In the future, when you invoke the Color dialog box, the selected color will be displayed here, so you will not need to recreate it in the future again. When you're finished in the Color dialog box, click OK to return to the Format Editor dialog box. In the Effects section of the Font tab in the Format Editor dialog box, you can check the Strikeout checkbox to apply a strike-through to the text displayed in the selected report object. Checking the Underline checkbox will apply an underline to the text displayed in the selected report object. Note that this underline will also appear under space values within the selected report object. You can type a number value in points into the Character Spacing Exactly text box to set the value specified as the value each character in your selected font should occupy, horizontally speaking. This value is measured from the start of one character to the start of the next character. This does not affect the size of the font used. As such, ensure that if you do use this feature that the font has enough space to display the characters in the field without having the letters and the text appear on top of one another. When you're finished, simply click the OK button to apply it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.